In this video, we will learn how to create a pirate logo that in the future will become the king of pirates. That's right, the Straw Hat Pirates in the One Piece anime series. Alright, let's make it. First, create a square object using the rectangle tool, and we make it as big as the working layer so that it becomes a background. With the ellipse tool, create a circle with white and thick black stroke. Then create the object with the tear tool, give it a white color and black stroke. Then we will make the eye part with the ellipse tool. Draw two black circles and their position are parallel to each other. We will make the nose by making a small block circle and place it in the middle under the eye position. Then we will make the teeth. Select the pen tool and click polygon mode. Also, adjust the thickness of the stroke. Every time you finish making one line for the teeth, press the escape key so that the lines are separated. Then we bend the line on the tooth so that it is curved. Make a rectangle object with the rectangle tool, then with the layer clipping, input the object into the circle. Create a red rectangle object with a black stroke using the rectangle tool. Then with the layer clipping, insert the object into the circle. Next, make a yellow rectangle with a black stroke, then using the corner tool, bend each corner. Then we will make the bone section using 4 circles and 1 rectangle. Select all bone object, then click Add. Duplicate the bone object by right-click, copy, and paste, and adjust its position using the Move tool like this. Block the 2 bone objects, then right-click, group, and position the layers so that they are under position of the skull head layer. Then place the bones in the middle, and we are done.